Hey you guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about how to optimize your Facebook profile so that you can have leads coming in, you can have people messaging you asking about your services, and really just how to position yourself as an expert on your Facebook profile so that people are curious about what you're doing and people who are the right fit for your business and what you can offer want to do business with you. So let's go ahead and I'm going to pull up my Facebook profile. And I'm going to give you just a quick overview of kind of why I designed my page the way that I did. So first thing that you see is the header image, okay? So what you want to do in the header image is you want to grab people's attention, right? Because yeah, there we go. So when you hover over your name, if let's say you make a post in a group or you comment on someone else's post or something like that, to someone who's never seen you before or heard of you before, they're probably gonna, they might be curious, they might hover over your name, and all they're gonna see is, they're gonna see your profile picture, and they're also gonna be able to see pretty clearly what you're saying on your header image. So you wanna make sure that you're giving people a clear description of what you can offer on your header image. You want it to be attention grabbing. You notice that I use blue and then orange and some yellow. So you want to make sure that, from people who are just kind of scrolling through Facebook, scrolling through maybe other groups, if you're active in other groups, which you should be, then yeah, they're going to probably hover over here, and then you want to make sure that it's clear what you can offer and how you can help people in your header image. So you'll also notice that I have a call to action here. So it looks like a button. I'm telling people exactly where to go to get my free thing, to get my lead magnet, right? So if you don't have a lead magnet yet, you can also just post a link to, or you can also have a link to your site or whatever it is, wherever it is that you want people to go so that they can learn more about you and how you can help them. So you also want to make it really, really easy for people so that they don't have to type in this thing. You want to have it so that when people click on it, the description of the image is just a link that they can click right there. So that's all about the cover image. And then the header image. Then the profile picture is also really, really important. So you want to, ideally you want it to be just your face. You want a smile. You also want to make sure that people can see. I actually learned this fact a little while ago, but about a couple weeks ago, but you want to make sure that the whites in your eyes, I don't know what they're called, but the shiny, I guess the reflection of the camera, reflection of light, ideally if you have a picture where that's visible, apparently that makes you a ton more trustworthy. You want to make sure that you look friendly and approachable, right? And let's see, then we've got the intro. Now what you want to do in the intro is you don't have a ton of room. I think I use almost all the, yeah, I've only got only have two characters left. So they don't give you very much, but you want to basically tell people who you are and how you can help them. And ideally, you can put links in here. They're not going to be hyperlinked though. So when someone, they won't be clickable. Ideally, you don't want to put a link in here though. You just want to put a quick intro. And the reason why you don't want to put a link in here is because Facebook wants people to stay on Facebook. So that's kind of the reason why the hyperlinking is not available up here. And so you want to tell them quickly what you do, how you can help them, or you can also kind of do some intrigue sort of things. I have a friend who he sells a course on how he went from 0 to, I don't know, whatever amount of money that he makes. His story is he used to be a cleaner, and then he started making a lot of money doing Facebook ads. So he has in his intro, it's went from working as a cleaner to making 6 figures as Facebook ad, with Facebook ads. And so that just gets people curious. So if you want to either one, you can tell people clearly what you do, or you can also kind of make people curious and want to read more down your profile. Now we've got the the work sections. Okay, so what you can do here is you should probably, unless you want to share a ton of information about yourself, it's not really necessary if you're going to be using your Facebook profile as kind of like a business card, which you should be because it's a really, really valuable tool. So I would just delete all of the, or not delete, but you can remove what shows up in this section here. And I would remove everything other than things that are relevant to your business. So right here I said like owner at Nika Moreno, and I linked my personal or my Facebook business page or whatever. So if you have a business page, you can link that here so people can kind of see a little bit more about you. And then what you want to do here is this is absolutely golden. So if you're not using this like image section right here, you absolutely need to create one right now. Literally it can take you like just 5 or 10 minutes. So what you want to do here is Facebook gives you the option to have like, I think up to 5 or 6 or something like that featured photos, but you want to just create one. Okay, so you want to create one that's a square so that it's nice and big and clear. And when people are scrolling down, you can tell them more about what you're doing, what you're offering, and you want to give them a call to action. Okay, so you can either say to click on the image, and then you can put the links there. Another thing that you can do is you can also have the call to action be to like click below instead of click on the image. If you want to just have like one link right here to like a lead magnet or to your website or something like that. You should absolutely be using this to get people onto your email list, into your Facebook group, onto your website or something like that. You want to get people taking action with this image because this is like prime real estate right here. So whatever it is, if you want to have them be clicking here and then put the links right there, or you can also add your own links below. This is where Facebook lets you actually link off of Facebook. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, but you want to just keep all those things in mind and deck out your profile. This should take no more than like maybe like 30 minutes. I created these myself, this image and this image myself in Canva. So if you guys, Canva is completely free if you don't know what that is. It's a really great tool to just create social media images really, really fast. So yeah, super important and works great.